Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we're continuing our journey, exploring more about how international designs influenced American trucks and what that means for the industry today. Technological features adopted from international markets. American trucks owe a huge debt to international tech advancements, especially in areas like navigation, engine design, and driver assistance. Many of the features drivers now take for granted actually began overseas. For example, GPS navigation systems became standard in European trucks years before they gained popularity in the US. These systems reduced delivery times by providing real-time route optimization, getting rid of outdated maps and guesswork. Once American manufacturers caught on, GPS tech became an essential tool for any long-haul driver. Engine designs also saw big improvements thanks to international competition. European trucks, in particular, prioritized fuel-efficient engines with reduced emissions. Technologies like turbocharged diesel engines and selective catalytic reduction (SCR) systems were first refined abroad before finding their way into American models. Cleaner engines not only meet environmental standards but also run more efficiently, slashing costs for drivers and fleets alike. Then there's safety. Features like lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and automatic braking, all standard in many trucks today, were pioneered internationally. These systems help prevent accidents, protect cargo, and make life easier for drivers. You could think of these as the tech equivalent of training wheels. They help keep the ride steady, especially when the road gets tricky. By adopting these technologies, American trucks became smarter and more competitive. It's a perfect example of how learning from global markets creates better vehicles for everyone. Comparative analysis: international versus American trucks. When it comes to trucks, the debate between international and American models is more than just a matter of preference. Each offers unique strengths, shaped by their respective markets and priorities. From engine performance to cultural influences, these differences highlight how regional needs and values have driven innovation. Let's break it down further. Performance and engine capabilities. Performance is often the first area where international and American trucks are compared. It's like putting a sprinter and a marathon runner side by side. Both are athletes, but they excel in different ways. American trucks are renowned for their raw power. They're built with larger displacement engines, often favoring V8 configurations that deliver impressive torque. This power makes them ideal for towing heavy loads, whether it's a trailer or construction equipment. Brands like Ford and Ram pride themselves on producing trucks that can handle extreme tasks with ease, embracing the American commitment to bigger is better. On the other hand, many international trucks focus on efficiency and versatility. European and Asian trucks, for example, often use smaller, turbocharged engines that maximize fuel economy while still providing sufficient power. Diesel engines dominate in this market, designed not just for durability but also to meet stricter emissions regulations abroad. Features like low RPM torque delivery allow these engines to excel in stop-and-go traffic or hilly terrains. The difference here comes down to priorities. American models prioritize towing power and high-speed performance, while international trucks lean toward fuel savings, maneuverability, and compliance with environmental standards. Neither approach is inherently better. It all depends on the job you need the truck to do. Cultural preferences in truck design. Cultural values play a significant role in how trucks are designed, blending functionality with regional identity. America's love for trucks is deeply rooted in its lifestyle. Trucks in the U.S. aren't just tools, they're symbols of freedom and toughness. That's why many models feature aggressive front grills, oversized tires, and robust frames. The ability to customize and personalize is also huge among American consumers, feeding into the idea that a truck should reflect its owner's personality. In contrast, international trucks prioritize practicality. Space is often at a premium in regions like Europe and Asia, so trucks are designed to be more compact and efficient. Something like the iconic cab-over-engine design, where the cab sits directly over the engine, minimizes the truck's length, making it easier to navigate narrow city streets. This approach sacrifices style for function but aligns well with the needs of densely populated regions. Interior design also differs. American trucks typically include large, comfortable cabins with plush features like advanced infotainment systems and abundant storage. These extras cater to a market that sees trucks as multi-purpose vehicles, equally at home on worksites and family trips. Meanwhile, international models prioritize utilitarian design, focusing on ergonomic layouts and essential features for professional drivers. The takeaway? American trucks feel more like mobile powerhouses and lifestyle companions, while international models are about precision and practicality. Affordability and market accessibility. Pricing and availability are where the balance between these trucks becomes clearer. American trucks generally have a wider range, from budget-friendly mid-size pickups to jaw-dropping heavy-duty models loaded with premium features. Domestic manufacturing helps keep prices competitive, and financing options in the U.S. make these trucks accessible to a broad audience. International trucks often fall into higher price brackets, largely due to import costs, taxes, and adherence to local regulations. However, international manufacturers counter this with cost-efficient designs and engines that ultimately save money in maintenance and fuel expenses. Brands like Toyota and Nissan have carved out niches in the American market with their reliable mid-size trucks, though they often can't compete toe-to-toe with domestic giants on price alone. That said, global trucks excel in markets outside of the U.S. where infrastructure, driving habits, and consumer demands differ. Countries in Europe and Asia lean toward smaller, utilitarian trucks with affordable maintenance costs and longevity. For instance, the Toyota Helix has earned a reputation for durability, becoming a mainstay in markets where practicality outshines luxury. In short, the affordability of these trucks depends heavily on where you're buying them and what you value most, upfront cost or long-term savings. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.